For the purpose of this video, I'm going to remove the strap just to make things easier, so that you will not hear the clicking noise of the chain. So let's just remove that. Okay, so let's see what I can fit in my Chanel Coco handle in the small size. Right. So I'm going to put my daily essentials into the bag. Let's start with the most bulky item. This will be my umbrella, which I've talked about. Okay, so I'm going to place it somewhere at the back of the compartment. Okay, and then I will try and put my long Emily wallet. Okay, probably I'll just, let me see if I can fit in the back of the bag, in the back compartment. It's quite a pretty tight fit, as you can see. Okay, then next I will need my coin pouch, my tissue, so my recycle bag, my mini makeup bag, some wet tissues, okay, and I also do have a key pouch which I seldom use, but just for the purpose of this video, I'll just use this and see if it's able to fit into the bag. I could put this in. Okay, let's see if I'm able to close the bag. Well, I could. Wow, that's quite impressive. So of course I have not put in my phone, which I think it's manageable. You should be able to fit in iPhone 6 Plus or 7 Plus in the bag. Okay, so I hope this will give you roughly an idea of what you can put in Chanel Coco handle in the small size. I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.